Hello students of Standard 2nd, DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is listening. So students listen carefully this video, and after this video there are some questions given below. Then you have to solve that questions on the basis of listening. So listen, today's topic is national animal. As we all know that tiger is our national animal. Tiger is the national animal of India. It is known as the largest animal in the cats family. They are largely found in Asia. It is a proud and fierce animal. Tiger has a big and strong body. Tigers are carnivorous animals. They live in forest and woods. Tigers are generally yellow in color with black strips all over them. It has very sharp teeth to tear flesh. It has very piercing eyes which can see very well even in the night also. It hunts and eats other animals. The young one of the tiger is called a cub. Tigers are now an endangered animal. There are some species that are left in such few numbers that your next generation may not be able to ever see them if nothing is done. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.